Is your Maserati key fob not working? The most common culprit is a dead or weak battery. Maserati fobs typically use a CR2032 or CR2450 lithium-ion coin cell battery. First, carefully open the fob. You'll likely need a small screwdriver. Replace the battery, ensuring correct polarity. Before reassembling, clean the battery contacts to prevent corrosion. Ensure the battery voltage is around 3 volts. Replace if it's below 2.5 volts. After replacing the battery, test the fob's functionality by attempting to lock or unlock your car. Also, be aware of environmental factors. Humidity can cause corrosion. Sealing the battery compartment with dielectric grease can help. If the fob still doesn't work, move on to the next step. If a new battery doesn't fix the problem, your key fob may need to be resynced with your Maserati. The resync process varies by model year. Check your owner's manual or Maserati Connect app for specific instructions. It usually involves a sequence of button presses and ignition key turns. If resyncing fails, the issue might be with your car's antenna. The antenna receives the signal from your key fob. Check for any damage to the antenna, often embedded in the windshield or rear window. Interference from aftermarket electronics or nearby metal structures can also weaken the signal. For antenna issues, professional diagnosis is recommended. Cracked windshield antennas should be repaired by a specialist. In some cases, a firmware update from a Maserati dealer may be required to resolve pairing glitches.